This is BBC Radio 4, and now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Sunday the 4th of February. There are warnings of gales in Viking, north at Sierra, south at Sierra, Forties, Cromarty, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Irish Sea, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. High Fitzroy 1035, expected Biscay with little change by 1800 Sunday. Low just west of Iceland 986, expected Norwegian Sea with little change by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Sierra. Westerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 at first. Squally wintry showers, good, occasionally moderate. South at Sierra, Forties, Cromarty. Westerly 6 to gale 8, squally showers, good. Fourth, west 6 or 7, decreasing 3 to 5, rain later, good, becoming poor later. Tyne, west or southwest 5 to 7, fair, then occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Dogger, Fisher, German Bight. West 6 to gale 8, mainly fair, then occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Humber, west 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8 later. Rain for a time, good, occasionally poor. Thames, Dover, White. West or southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later. Mainly fair, good, occasionally poor. Portland, Plymouth. West or southwest 4 to 6, occasional drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, northwest Trafalgar. Variable 2 to 4, mainly fair, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Trafalgar, easterly 5 to 7, decreasing 2 to 4, fair, good. Southeast Fitzroy, easterly becoming variable 2 to 4, fair, good. Northwest Fitzroy, variable becoming south 2 to 4, occasional drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Seoul, southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, occasional drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, west backing southwest 4 to 6, occasional drizzle, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Irish Sea, west or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Shannon, southwest 5 to 7, mainly fair, moderate, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, westerly 6 to gale 8, decreasing 3 to 5 later in north, rain, poor. Hebrides, Bailey, west 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Bailey, decreasing 2 to 4, squally showers, good, occasionally moderate. Fair Isle, west 6 to gale 8, squally wintry showers, good, occasionally moderate. Faroes, southeast Iceland, westerly 7 to severe gale 9, veering northerly 3 to 5 later, squally snow showers, good, occasionally poor. Now we have the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic, west 6, recent precipitation, 9 miles 1016, falling more slowly. Stornoway, west by south 6, recent precipitation, 19 miles 1009, falling more slowly. Lerwick, west southwest 7, 14 miles 999, falling. Wick Automatic, west 6, 15 miles 1006, falling. Aberdeen, southwest by south 2, 22 miles 1011, falling. Lookers, west southwest 5, 19 miles 1013, falling more slowly. Boomer, southwest by south 3, 16 miles 1017, falling slowly. Bridlington, west by south 3, 1020, falling slowly. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic, west southwest 6, 2 miles 1026. Greenwich Light Vessel Automatic, west-southwest 5, 2 miles, 1029. St Catherine's Point automatic, west by south 5, 1029, now rising. Jersey, west 4, recent fog, 3 miles, 1032, now rising. Channel light vessel automatic, west-southwest 5, 1031. Scilly automatic, southwest by west 4, 5 miles, 1032, now falling. Milford Haven, west by south 5, slight drizzle, 500 metres, 1027, falling slowly. Aberporth, southwest by west 5, fog, 100 metres, 1026, falling slowly. Valley, west-southwest 3, 13 miles, 1025, now rising. Liverpool Crosby, west by south 5, 9 miles, 1024, falling slowly. Valencia, southwest by west 4, mist, 2 miles, 1028, now falling. Ronaldsway, southwest by west 4, 1023, falling more slowly. Malin Head, southwest by west 5, recent drizzle, 5 miles, 1019, now rising. Machrihanish automatic, west-southwest 5, rain, 1.5 miles, 1020, falling more slowly. Here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Saturday the 3rd of February. The general situation: a large area of high pressure will persist across southern waters during the next few days. Strong westerly or southwesterly winds will continue to affect most inshore waters, with gales at times across some northern waters. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. West 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 or 5 later. Squally showers, rain for a time. Good, occasionally moderate. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Westerly or southwesterly 6 or 7, decreasing 3 to 5. Occasional rain later in south. Good, becoming poor later in south. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. West 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first. Fair, then occasional rain, mainly fair later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. West backing southwest for a time, 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7. Rain for a time. Good, occasionally moderate. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Westerly backing southwesterly for a time, 5 or 6, occasionally 4 at first. Occasional rain at first in north. Good, occasionally moderate. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later. Drizzle at times. Good, occasionally poor. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. West or southwest 4 to 6. Drizzle at times. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. West or southwest 4 to 6. Occasional drizzle. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. West or southwest 5 or 6, occasionally 7 near St David's Head. Rain or drizzle, fog patches. Moderate, occasionally very poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. Southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7. Rain or drizzle, fog patches. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West 4 to 6, backing southwest 5 to 7. Occasional drizzle, rain for a time. Good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man. West or southwest 6 or 7, occasionally 5 at first. Occasional rain or drizzle, mainly fair later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Southwesterly 4 to 6, veering westerly 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Showers, then occasional rain, mainly fair later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southwesterly 4 to 6, veering westerly 5 to 7. Showers, then rain, mainly fair later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Westerly or southwesterly 6 to Gill 8, decreasing 3 to 5 in north. Showers, then rain. Good, becoming moderate or poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Westerly 6 to Gill 8, decreasing 3 to 5. Squally showers, then rain at times. Good, becoming moderate, occasionally poor later in south. And to conclude, Shetland Isles. West 6 to Gill 8, veering northwest 5 to 7 later. Squally showers becoming wintry. Good, occasionally moderate. That completes the shipping bulletin. And of course that brings us to the end of our schedule for the day as well. Radio 4 will be off the air for a few brief hours, during which we'll be joining the BBC World Service. Thanks for your company. From me, Ron Brown, Vigi Alice in the newsroom, and everyone at Broadcasting House in London, a very restful night. Good night.